everyone, good afternoon and welcome back to my channel. Sorry that I haven't been posting for a while, but I do have a 5-month-old and as you guys know, life can get so hectic. Anyways, with that being said, today I'm bringing to you a wonderful recipe. I'm going to be making some Guyanese fish cake. It works wonders for kids as well, so if you're wondering how to get your kids to eat their protein and you're wanting to get them to eat some fish, this works so good. It's mashed fish with mashed potatoes, green scallions, onions, garlic, and it tastes so good. So if you want to learn how to make some real nice Guyanese fish cake, just sit back, relax, and join me for a wonderful recipe. Let's get into it.